Gaggia Carezza, well, it's an ultra awesome little retro powerhouse. You know, pumping hot water through coffee under pressure, not exactly rocket science, but doing it well, there's details, you know, little things that make a huge difference in the quality and the ease of use. My Carezza gets those details right and does it with style. I mean, when people see it on my counter, it pretty much always starts a conversation, which usually ends with me showing them how easy it is to make their own latte.
They're like, that's all there is to it? I thought you had to go to barista school or something.
The nice thing is, the Carezza does it fast too. Turn it on, it's ready to go in like half a minute. I used to think that you had to have a grinder to make a good espresso, but with the pressurized basket, you can use pre-ground coffee or ESC pods. No tamping required. Just fill it with coffee or a pod, lock in the portafilter, and press a button. In steaming milk, the Panarello one really does all that for you. Automatically injects the perfect amount of air for a delicious, rich, some would say silky froth, just like you'd get in the best cafes. And then, you know, the design, I mean, it just looks cool. But it functions well with a water tank that comes out of the front, stainless steel housing with styling, so I tell people, if you can push a button and turn a knob, you've really got all the skill you need to make a latte or a cappuccino. The Gaggia Carezza. It's, well, like having a retro cafe on my countertop.
The Keurig Plus series is designed to brew the perfect cup, mug, and carafe time after time. Choose a K-Cup pod to brew a single cup, a K-Mug pod to brew a travel mug, or a K-Carafe pod to brew a 4-cup carafe. You can even brew your own ground coffee with the My K-Cup reusable filter. Your Keurig K500 is the ultimate Keurig coffee maker and the top of the line in Plus Series brewing. The K500 features a removable 80-ounce water reservoir, extra large color touchscreen, the most Keurig brew size options, up to 12 ounces for single cups, 18 ounces for travel mugs, and 30 ounces for carafes. Strength control, temperature control, programmable clock, auto on and off, customizable features to make it your own, such as nightlight and wallpapers, and auto brew. Choose from hundreds of varieties from the brands you love, including America's leading coffee brands, making it easy to brew your favorites your way.
Introducing the Icona Pump Coffee Machine from DeLonghi. With its high-performance 15-bar pump pressure, Icona is a traditional yet stylish coffee machine for people who want a real barista-style experience. Icona also includes an all-important cup warming facility on top, a must for that perfect espresso. A useful feature on this machine is the filter holder, which allows you to use loose ground coffee or easy-serving espresso pods. And with a single and double filter included, you can accommodate for 2 full-sized cappuccinos or espresso cups during a single serving. Available in 4 iconic colors that tailor to suit any kitchen design. Choose from azure blue, onyx black, pearl white, or scarlet red. This unmistakable range of Icona products also includes the 4-slice toaster and 3-kilowatt rapid boil kettle, all available in the 4 iconic color options. All 4 stylish colours come with a traditional milk frother, ideal for making cafe-quality cappuccinos and lattes. The DeLonghi Icona pump coffee machine also includes a 1-year guarantee. DeLonghi, living innovation. Introducing Latissima, the Nespresso portioned capsule coffee machine with milk solution from DeLonghi. Enjoy all of your favorite coffee drinks from cappuccinos and lattes to espressos, all at the touch of a button with the Latissima Nespresso capsule machine. With its high-performance 19-bar pump pressure, Latissima is fast and convenient, ideal for coffee lovers who are short of time and want a quick, clean coffee machine. The exclusive brewing and extraction system uses unique Nespresso capsules that are available in 16 different blends. The patented single-touch milk carafe and frothing system can be used to enjoy fresh cappuccinos or lattes at any time. The milk carafe can also be cleaned at the touch of a button and can be conveniently stored in a fridge when not in use. Included with the Latissima is the exclusive welcome pack. This includes a stylish espresso glass cup and saucer, latte glass, 16 coffee capsules, and a ring-bound information pack. DeLonghi's Latissima Nespresso capsule coffee machine also includes a 2-year guarantee. DeLonghi, living innovation. Make perfect espressos, cappuccinos or cafe lattes at the touch of a button. The Magnifica Pronto Cappuccino. The automatic cappuccino system features DeLonghi's patented single-touch milk carafe for easy coffee making at the touch of a button, while the extra attachment allows for hot water for fruit and herbal teas. Personalize your coffee preferences. Choose from short, long, strong or mild, piping hot or medium temperature, with adjustable coffee and water quantity and temperature control. Use with coffee beans or ground coffee, featuring an integrated ceramic burr grinder with 13 settings and a removable 1.8-litre water tank. You can even prepare 2 cups with a single brewing. Auto rinse and auto descale ensure that your machine is maintained in optimum condition. Other convenient features include an adjustable coffee dispenser for a variety of cup sizes, programmable automatic switch on and shut off, cup warmer, and removable drip tray. Real Italian coffee at the touch of a button. The Magnifica Pronto Cappuccino.
Pixie. Outstanding coffee in record time. Living beings do not seem to have any limits as to what they can do. For example, on its scale, the hummingbird is the world's fastest flying object. Researchers have calculated that a diving hummingbird can travel a distance of 383 times its length per second, or 1,270 capsules placed end to end. Pixie, the fastest Nespresso machine, can reach its brewing temperature in 25 seconds flat, thanks to its fast thermoblock, and deliver you top-flight coffee in record time. A technical achievement no hummingbird in the world can match so far. Pixie, more than you see.